So for the big handle, you can start with the chains, any numbers that you wish, as long as you need it. For example, you measure the inner part and then you added extra, because the extra will be sewing to the back part. So you don't do exactly as this inner part. Okay, so you need to add a few centimeter so you can able to sewing it to your back. So mine, I did 100 chains, and then this is all depend on your handle size. You can make it shorter if you wish, or longer if you need. Okay, so I did 100 chains. What we're going to do, you will start working to the second chains from the hook. You skip the first one, work on the second one. We will do the single crochet all across. Okay, single crochet all across. So in total you will have 99 single crochet. Okay, like that. So keep continue doing the single crochet all across until the end of the stitch. Okay, and I'll see you when you reach there. So I have reached at the end of the rows. Here, how is it? Okay, now we're going to chain one and turn our work, and you will do single crochet to the first stitch, and then single crochet under each stitch all across. And you can continue doing so until at the end of the row. Okay, so I'm reaching on the end of the rows, number 2, one single crochet, and then change one and turn my work, and then again single crochet to the first stitch, single crochet to the second, and then single crochet under each stitch, again you're repeating exactly the same, single crochet all across, and I keep doing so until the width that you desire when you're folding it. Okay, because this width will be folded, and mine I will continue until 6 rows, and then I will measure if it will be enough to cover this this part. Okay, because this one it will be covering all over this one. So I will continue until I have the 6 rows, and I'll see you there, and then I will decide if I should add one more rows until 7 or not. Okay, so I have done the 6 rows, and I have measured, and then I think I need to add one more rows of single crochet because it's not not one more rows, it will be fit. Okay, so at the end, in total I have 7 rows. So in the last stitch, chain 1 and repeat the process, single crochet under each stitch. Okay, and then single crochet all across until the end of the rows. So in total I have 7 rows. If you wish to have bigger than that, this one, it will be folded like that. Okay, like that. I'll show it to you when I completed the 7 rows. So I have completed my handle to the 7 rows at the end. So in total it's 7 rows, and then chain 1 and fasten up, and then I'll show it to you what is the size for this. For the width, it's approximately about 4 centimeter, and then for the length it's about for the length is about 56.5 centimeter. Okay, 56.5 centimeter. And then so what I'm going to do next is, this is the right side, I will turn it to the wrong side. So this is the wrong side where we're going to place the this one in between, like that. And we'll have 8 chains from left to here, and then here as well, 8 chains. Okay, 8 stitch. So I will place the marker only for one side, which is on the left side. I will counting it, 1 2 3 4. This is 8 stitches, and then the other side as well, 1 2 3 4, which is 8 stitches. Okay, this is only a guidance here. It not necessary if you because you know that you will do the 8 stitches there. And then here on the beginning here as well. So what we're going to do, basically on the first 8 stitch we will do the single crochet, and then all around here we will do the slip stitch, and then the last one is single crochet, 8 single crochet. So that's what we will do. So I will attach my yarn to the first stitch like that, and then tight it. For this tail you can sewing it using the tapestry needle, but I like to bring this tail to the inside, so I will hiding it in between together with this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, matching it, and then we will start doing the single crochet. Insert your hook to the first stitch, grab yarn over, and then chain 1. This is the securing the second time of securing the stitch, and then at the same stitch insert your hook again, and then you start doing the first single crochet. Okay, that is the first single crochet, and then the second one. So make sure you do both sides is matching it. So this is the second single crochet, and then the third single crochet. Okay, and then the fourth single crochet, the fifth, and the 6, seven, and the last one is 8. So 8 single crochet. Okay, now we have done the first one, the first 8 single crochet. Now we will continue doing the slip stitch. So grab the inner part. We will do only inner part from here, and then an inner part from the other side here. Okay, so grab your this one and then the other one, so only one side, and then single slip stitch, sorry. So you are not go through to that part like you did the single crochet. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me try to zoom it like that. So you are not going to the boat stitch, stitch like that. You will take only the inner part, go there, and then one side from the other part like that. Okay, but if you prefer to do the single crochet as you did earlier, it's not a problem. You can do that as well like that, and then you can continue doing so, single crochet slip stitch to the each stitch. Make sure you matching it to the other part. It will be challenging in the beginning only, then after that you will get used to it. There is no particular reason why I do the slip stitch, but when I see the overall finishing product, this slip stitch is kind of better than when I do the single crochet. So basically it's your preference. You see the difference. This is the single crochet, and then this is the slip stitch. Okay, and then like that. The single crochet that we did earlier, this is the part that we're going to sewing to the back. So continue doing the slip stitch through the both side, and then make sure it's in line. Okay, and I'll see you when you get to the end. Okay, like that. You see the difference? I like to see the finishing. And then this is the single crochet like that. I think the slip stitch, why I like the slip stitch, because it's like make it more rounder, and then also the finishing is smoother. Okay, so continue doing so until you reach the other marker, and then we will do the single crochet at the end. Okay, so I'm reaching on the marker where we will, so this is all the slip stitch, and then we're going to do the single crochet for the 8 stitches. Okay, So this is my first single crochet, and then second, then the third, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is 8. Okay, like that, and then you can sewing this still later on. Okay, so chain 1 and then cut your yarn. So this is the overall handle look like for both here. So this part we will be sewing it to the back part, and this one as well. Okay, so the position it will be like that. The stitch that we just did, the slip stitch, will be from the inner part. So you can see the slip stitch what we do. This is how it is. I really like it because of its neat and then smooth, compared to if I continue using the single crochet only. Okay, but this is your preferences. You can do the single crochet all across, or do what I did, slip stitch in the one in the middle part, and then only the part that you will attach it to the back, then you do the single crochet. Okay, so that's how we make the back handle, and then you will make another one same exactly like this one, and then once you complete it with that, we will attach it to the back. Okay, I'll see you shortly.